I want to dedicate this video to the even feed walking foot attachment. A regular presser foot just presses fabric down while the feed dogs move the layers forward. If you're sewing thick or slippery fabric, the top layer can shift while the bottom moves. For those of us with domestic sewing machines, this attachment mimics an industrial sewing machine's walking foot because it feeds the top and bottom fabric evenly. Really great for quilting because it keeps the top, bottom, and center batting in place, and also great for working with cork fabric, which can grip and shift. To attach the even feed walking foot on a Singer Confidence Quilter, simply use your machine's flat metal tool or a flathead screwdriver to unscrew the presser foot holder. When you seat the even feed walking foot, just make sure that the arm hooks around the needle clamp. This is what makes the upper feed dogs move in tandem with the lower feed dogs. Reattach the screw and make sure the attachment is fully seated with the presser foot bar. You don't have to be a quilter to use and enjoy this attachment. In this example, I'm sewing cork fabric. Good cork fabric is thick and not easy to sew using pins. So with clamps and my even feed walking foot, it's a cinch to keep the layers from shifting as I sew. For a tutorial on my cork paintbrush case, go to youtube.com/Lydia Designs.